Far beyond the maps and crowded cities lies an island forgotten by time. An island where nature breathes freely, and the whispers of the wind carry stories of healing, hope, and human connection. As you step onto the golden sands, the world grows quiet. There are no tall buildings here, no noise, only laughter, and the scent of wild herbs dancing in the air. Here, medicine doesn't come from bottles. It comes from the earth itself. Generations of healers have passed down ancient wisdom. One leaf, one seed, one prayer at a time. The people call this place the Village of Light. They believe true healing begins not with medicine, but with kindness. A warm hand, a gentle word, a shared meal. That's where healing starts. Every sunrise brings new blessings. Every sunset brings peace. But even paradise faces storms. The winds howl, the waves rise, the herbs that once healed the people are torn away by the rain. For a moment, it feels like hope is gone. But hope always finds a way. The next day, they begin again, planting, nurturing, believing. And from the same soil that saw their tears, new life is born. The herbs grow back, stronger, brighter, filled with life and purpose. The people heal, the land heals, and the spirit of the island shines again. The Forgotten Island is more than a place. It's a reminder that even when the world feels broken, nature shows us how to rise again, how to heal, how to love, how to begin anew. Maybe we don't need to travel far to find healing. Sometimes the light we seek has been within us all along. If this story touched your heart, subscribe to my channel to join more journeys of healing, travel, and hope across our world. Check the links below for travel deals and destinations that help you explore responsibly and connect with nature.